Subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, an unknown network error has occurred when you're using your Instagram. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. So this is the first way. Another way you can try to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings, and in the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data, just turn on off and turn on again. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also try to fix it by updating Instagram app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write here Instagram. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.